Hello viewers, this is Umaran Mahapatra. Hope you are doing well. Today I will be explaining verb plus preposition, verb agree plus preposition. So welcome you back to my channel. Watch till the end of the video to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Verb agree plus preposition with, on, about and to. Depending on the object, we can use appropriate preposition with, to, on, about. All the prepositions can be connected to a noun. That noun is the object of the preposition. So the nature of the object is to decide the appropriate preposition. Agree plus with. They agreed with us to play cricket. What I told, one preposition agree with the object of the preposition. That means as per the object of a preposition, we use that preposition. After agree, with comes because the object is person or persons, or the pronouns which are used for persons or persons. Here us is one pronoun and used for persons. So with preposition will come. They agreed with us to play cricket. Our teacher agrees with the students to take us to market. What is here? Agrees with the students. The students means what? The students means the persons. So we use here preposition with. I don't agree with the way they run the office. And also we can use agree with the way something is done. Particularly it is the matter of opinion or style. So agree with the way they run the office. That means the style of doing something. Okay, there the object is the way they run the office, and so what preposition came here? With. We agree with the government's new measure. The same thing, style of running something, style of doing something. So we use here with preposition. She agreed with your speaking English. Okay, full stop here. Sorry. She agreed with your speaking English. What is your speaking English means what? It is the style of doing something. So we use preposition with. Then agree plus on. Agree on. We can use agree on a topic or a subject. If it is a planning, if it is a plan or doing something, there you use agree on. As per the object, we use preposition on after verb agree. Agree on. We use agree on a topic or a subject. That may be a planning or doing something. We all agreed on a date to start our journey. Also before a date, we use agreed on because it is one planning to do something. We all agreed on a date to start our journey. Rima and Sheila agreed on where to go. Also agreed on because it is one planning to do something. So agreed on. The people agreed on meeting the minister. Okay, it is what? Agreed on meeting the minister. So doing something. There, what? If the objective is doing something, there we use on preposition after agree. The people agreed on opening a school in their village. The same thing here. Doing something, we use agreed on. Then agree plus preposition to. Verb agree agrees with preposition to when an object of the preposition is one suggestion or proposal. There we use preposition to. Agree to. Where you use agree to? We use agree to if the object of the preposition is one proposal or suggestion. Okay, I agree to cutting my hair. Suppose it is one suggestion of others. So I agreed to cutting my hair. Okay. So we use to, agree to. He agreed to my proposal of going abroad. And where you use agree to? With the proposal. Okay. So proposal. She agreed to a pay cut. To a pay cut. That is one suggestion. Agree to or pay cut. Then agree about. We can use agree about a subject of discussion. Subject of discussion means if in a group there is one discussion and the opinion is same, there you use agree about. Agree about. We agree about the deal. Where you use agree about? We use agree about, agree about. We use agree about if the object is one dealing, one idea to do something, or one opinion of a group. If there is a discussion in a group and the opinion is one, the result is one, everybody's opinion one to get the result, there you use agree about. We agree about the deal. Okay, we use agree about. The truck drivers agreed about the best route to Belgium. What is it? Idea. Okay, if the object is one idea, if the object one deal, and also if the object is one opinion of a group, there you use what? Agree about. I agree about the group going to do every work. That means I agree about the group. We use here about because the opinion is one. Going to do every work. What work they are doing? As per the opinion, everybody's opinion is one. So work is going on. So there you use about preposition. Yes, agreed. That's my plan. My plan. My plan means what? One suggestion, one proposal. So, to my plan. Agreed to my plan. He agreed dash me to apply for a teacher. When the object is one person or persons, what preposition? With. Agreed with me to apply for a teacher. She didn't agree dash your proposal. Your proposal, for proposal, what preposition? To. She didn't agree to your proposal. I agree dash you dash this point. I agree with you as the object is one person or persons. So, agree with you dash this point, one topic, one subject. So, on this point. She agreed dash my speaking. She agreed with my speaking. My speaking is the object. What is here? Someone's style to do something. Someone's style. So, way of talking. Way of talking, way of speaking. So, here with my speaking. Everyone doesn't agree dash global warming. What shows here? Opinion. One opinion. So, here about global warming. Do you all agree having dinner on Sunday? Sorry, here question mark. Do you all agree? Do you all agree? Does having dinner on Sunday? The same thing. One opinion of others. So, about having dinner on Sunday. She agreed. Does playing that drama. Doing something. What is here? On playing that drama. That's it for this one. If you like my video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.